Are you ready to move your body? Today, we're gonna do fun and easy yoga. Stretch, balance, and smile together. Follow along with me, and let's have some fun. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's start.
Standing stretch. Stand up tall. Reach your arms up high. Stretch like you're touching the sky. So big, so tall. Great job! Side reach. Keep one arm up. Lean to the side. Stretch, stretch. Can you feel it? Nice. Arm circles. Let's move our arms. Big circles, nice and slow. Round and round. You're doing great. Forward bend. Bend down slowly. Can you touch your toes? Let your head relax. So soft. Good job. Half lift. Lift your body halfway. Hands on your knees. Look forward. Strong and steady. Nice. Gentle squat. Bend your knees. Sit a little down. Hold it! Hold it! You're strong. Cat pose. On your hands and knees. Round your back like a cat. Mew. Stretch up. So fun. Cow pose. Now drop your belly. Look up. Open your chest. Big happy stretch. Child's pose. Sit back. Reach your arms forward. Rest your body. So cozy. Puppy stretch. Stay low. Walk your hands forward. Stretch, stretch. stretch. Sit down. Stretch your legs. Reach for your toes. Try your best. Butterfly pose. Feet together. Knees open wide. Butterfly wings. Flap, flap, then hold. Easy pose. Sit nice and comfy. Cross your legs. Arms on your knees. Quiet and calm. Side stretch. Seated. One arm up. Lean to the side. Stretch like a rainbow. Beautiful. Bridge pose. A lead down. Lift your hips up. Make a little bridge. Hold it. Wow. Happy baby. Hold your feet. Stay on your back. Rock a little. Happy baby. So cute. Knee hug. Hug your knees. Squeeze gently. Rock side to side. So relaxing. Star stretch. Stretch wide. Arms and legs out. Like a big star. Shine bright. Resting pose. Lie down. Stay very still. Close your eyes and relax.
You did it! That was amazing! Give yourself a big clap. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye!